this is actually graduation day in the manufacturing camp, and Ben and Sam and Olivia are joining me and showed me what they learned this week. It's a day camp, 5 days in a row. We're doing about 35 of these around Ohio. This is the third year in a row that Lancaster and Fairfield County has done one. And it introduces young people, 5th to 8th grade, 5th to 9th grade even, to doing things with their brains and their hands together. And they're working with engineers and they're working with companies every day that are making things, and they showed me things they've learned and things they know how to do. People can go to a career center, they can go to tech school, they can be a union apprentice carpenter or electrician, and they will find that these are good paying jobs that have good benefits, good retirement, all the way. I mean, a whole lot about that, but they will at some point, and it really is. And you're building this country, or you're making things, you're doing things. You know the work you do. You can design an engine for a jet airplane in Ohio. You can build cars in Ohio. You can make processed food in Ohio. You can do a whole lot of things in this state. We make things like, really, we're the #1 manufacturing state in the country, and those jobs pay well, and we should do more of that.